So now we will start with the assembling of the dahlia. So the dahlia, you have two different sizes, but it's for one dahlia. This is the larger size and this is the smaller size. You'll also need floral wire and you'll need your pliers. For one of the larger sizes, you're going to want to poke a hole through the center of the dahlia, just like that. And this one we'll use for the bottom of the dahlia. So before I get there though, let's start folding each of the dahlias. So each one has 8 little of these petals, and you are going to want to start folding them in half. You're going to fold it just like this and just leave it to the side. And then another one, same thing, just fold it in half like this. Just like that, and then leave that aside. These are going to be for the bottom layer. Now these, you're going to do the same thing, but we're going to need our glue gun for this. So when you fold it, you're going to want to add a little bit of glue right there and then just squeeze like this, and you're going to hold it in place so that way it will look like that. So let's just start by folding all of them. It's just easier that way. Okay, so they're all folded like that. And then you're going to grab your glue gun. You're going to add a little bit of glue right there in the middle. And then you're going to want to pinch like that. And then let go, and then it becomes like this. So then do the same thing for all of the other ones. So it'll look like this. So do the same thing for these ones, and then these ones we'll do after. So we are done with the larger petals. Now you're going to move on to the smaller ones. So the same thing, you're going to want to fold, since there's 4, you're going to want to fold 2 of them just like this and just leave them. There's no hot gluing these, like the petals. So just like that, you leave them. These ones, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to want to glue them, the petals, just like we did with these ones. I just noticed that I did not glue these, so I'm going to go back and glue those. Okay, just like that. Okay, so back to the little ones. So the little ones, we already folded these in half, like the petals, but there's no gluing to those. These you will. So just like the larger ones. Okay, and then you're done with all those. So now what you're going to want to do is grab the one that has the hole, and then the other one as well. They look alike. We didn't glue the petals of these, like the inside of the petals, just like we did with these ones. So these are the small ones, these are the large ones. So then what you're going to want to do is grab your wire, poke your wire through, just like that. And then grab your plier and then just fold it so that way it lies flat, just like that. You want to add glue to there, not a ton, but glue like that amount. Again, it's not a lot. Now this one, you're going to want to put it on top, just like that. And now you're going to want to start gluing the larger ones. So the larger ones, add glue first, and then start with the larger ones. And then just continue to add glue to the center, and then keep gluing the ones on top, just like this. So there are all of the 4 larger petals. There's all of them in there. So you can fluff it up a little bit by bringing them up like this. Like that. Now what you're gonna start doing is the little petals. So add glue. And then the little petals, you're gonna want to add the petals in. So, and you're gonna want to over, so you did this one already. This one, I folded the petals. Next, do this one right here. That's the one where we didn't glue the petals. So just glue that one in there. And then same with this, the same one that we just glued. Again, this one's the one that we didn't glue any of the petals in. So just glue that one in. Just like that. And then the last one, which is this one right here. We glued the petals, we glued these petals. So bring it in first like this. And kind of squish the bottom too. But bring them all together, squish them all together towards the center. And it looks like this. Then you're going to glue the back. And then you're going to put it inside like that. And that one is all done. And you just want to kind of fluff them like this, so that way they're closer together. And then this one's done. So we just finished this dahlia. It's super beautiful. This one didn't require any crystals, but this one you will need 4 total. So this is the one that we just finished. Here are the 3 other ones for a total of 4 dahlias. So these are super cute. I love them. They're just perfect for that bridal bouquet as well. So we're going to put these aside because we don't need these anymore. But again, you need 4 of these.